Not even 24 hours later, I signed a second client for £2,000 a month using a skill that I learned very basic level and how I monetize that. This is how I did it. I started the day waking up at 5:30 a.m, did some emails and work. Then I got to a shoulders and arms session. Now this is essential for the day ahead of us to be prepared and in the right mental frame. Now, as I later prepared for work, ready for the long day ahead of us, I knew that what I needed to do this afternoon was in order to be full of energy. So here's my meal prep for the day. Completing some final touches to the fact find, setting up the Teams link and preparing the contract alongside the initial consultation. I do not have many more skills than you. I just understand that a skill can turn into a service, which can turn into a cash flow business. And that's what you need to do. Utilize the skill set that you have, and that will help you grow not only your character, but you're able to monetize that. It takes very little effort. Get to work.